Before I went to the retreat, I had read Courage to Teach by Parker Palmer, had used the words in that book and his perspective on teaching and what that means to really shape who I was as a teacher, although I'd never been part of Courage to Teach before. And I had read and found, like, had been working on how do I blend the Oceti Shakopee and Essential Understandings into my classes before I knew anything about Lakota. So I go to this retreat just having said yes to being asked to do something by my principal, to find out that two things I valued very, very greatly were happening in a beautiful place in the Black Hills. And also all these other things where, like, I would have an experienced teacher from the state to be able to talk to about things where it's my first time teaching middle schoolers, and I'm like, I don't understand middle schoolers. Everything is so important, and I don't know what to do with this. And to be able to talk to someone who has been working with middle schoolers for ever, these kinds of things, it was just very, very, very exciting, and has every step of the way proven to be so useful.